Hey, good evening. Tonight's video, totally off the cuff. I'm sitting around doing stuff today. I'm hungry. I look at the clock. I'm like, damn, it's too late to make dinner. So what am I gonna do? I ordered Domino's pizza. Now you're gonna laugh at me, but I love Domino's thin crust pizza. Their pizza's come a long way over the years, and the thin crust pizza is like a flatbread, and it's really good. So they offered me some deal for 2 for something, 3 for something. So what I did was I ordered 3 pizzas with mushrooms. Love mushrooms on my pizza, love sausage on my pizza. So I went with the mushrooms tonight. And I ordered a thin crust, which I absolutely love, a hand tossed, and a homemade. So we're gonna open these up, see what they look like. We'll give them a taste test. I'm already biased to the thin crust, but I'm gonna give the other 2 a shot. Let's open these up. Thin crust, hand tossed, pan pizza. Thin crust, hand tossed, pan pizza. Let's give these a taste test. This is the thin crust pizza. It's almost like a flatbread. This is the hand tossed. This is the pan pizza. Let's sink our teeth into these babies and see what we got. Okay, here we've got the hand tossed. It's got a nice crust on it. It's not too doughy. The cheese and sauce are good. Very tasty. This is the homemade pan pizza. That too is very good. This is more like Sicilian. So you folks out there like Sicilian pizza, if you get yourself the handmade pan, it's not a square or a rectangle. It's a circle, but it's still pretty damn tasty. That is good. That's very good. This is the flatbread. These are good. I know these are already good, but I had to taste the other 2 first. You know, I love a margarita pizza. And a margarita pizza is the thin crust. And that's what this is. And this is really good. Especially if you think pizza's bad for you, not healthy. By all means, go with the thin crust. 'Cause I'll tell you, the pan pizza and the hand toss, those are really good. This is really good too. But I just am biased towards the thin crust pizza. These are really good. And this is my go-to pizza when I'm hungry. So give Domino's a try. And you know what? Their app is so easy and so efficient. Piece of cake. Once you put your information in the first time, ordering pizza's a snap. So, give Domino's a try. It's very good. Nothing goes better with pizza than a nice cold beer. Well, cheers to you folks. Order yourself some Domino's pizza. It might really surprise you. I was really surprised when I tried that flatbread, and I find that pretty tasty. So, hey, cheers. Thanks for watching. Grab some pizza. Later.